Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to add a printer to Ubuntu 20.25 quickly and easily. First, open your Settings application from the main menu. Once inside, look for the Hardware section on the left sidebar. There, you'll find Printers. Click on this to open the printer management screen, then select the Add Printer button to get started right away. After clicking Add Printer, Ubuntu will immediately begin scanning for available devices. This includes printers connected via USB, as well as those discoverable on your local network. Most modern printers will appear automatically in the list that populates. Once you see your specific printer model, simply click on it to select it and proceed to the next step of the installation. This ensures a smooth initial connection. Ubuntu is quite smart. It usually identifies the correct drivers for your printer automatically. You might see a prompt asking to confirm the driver installation. Just click Install or OK to continue. In some rare cases, if a specific driver isn't found, you can often select a generic PostScript or PCL driver, which works for many models. Remember, you'll need your administrator password to authorize these changes. It's a quick security check. Once the drivers are installed, you'll see a summary of your printer's settings. Here, you can customize things like its display name or even set a default paper size if necessary. It's always a good idea to ensure these basic configurations are correct for your needs. The most crucial step is to print a test page. This simple action confirms that your printer is connected, configured correctly, and ready to print documents without any further issues. Look for the Print Test Page button. Congratulations! Your printer is now fully installed and ready for use. You can immediately start printing documents, photos, or anything else from any application on your Ubuntu system. Should you need to adjust settings in the future, like sharing options or default paper types, simply return to the Printers section in Settings. It's that easy to manage your devices. Enjoy the convenience of seamless printing on Ubuntu 20.25 with your new hardware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.